From a recent post, a lot of people ask me what is ARV, also known as after repair value. Let's talk about it. So ARV is the value of a home when it's all fixed up and upgraded. This is calculated by comparing similar recently sold homes near the subject property. And it also depends on all the upgrades that a property may have. As an investor, it is our job to purchase property. We normally purchase properties that need some repairs, whether it's paint, cabinets, creating an open floor concept, and also redoing big dollar items like the roof, the HVAC, the water heater. As a good investor, when we have a potential deal, we start our calculation backwards. We start with the ARV minus the rehab and holding costs minus the purchase and closing costs. This will give you a good number of where to buy your deal. Now, let's discuss what an ARV is not. Assessment is not an ARV. Is that how you say it? The estimated sale price on Redfin is not an ARV. So don't think your property is worth that. It may be worth more, it may be worth less. It depends on what an appraiser may say. And be careful, that is also an opinion.
Well, Dad, what is my house worth then?
Don't you see me recording a video? Hold on. All right, come on. You're talking about this house?
Duh.
According to square footage and how the market is right now, probably 200K.
Ooh, can I sell it?
Not today, yep. Not today, no. Not today.
And that's the definition and explanation of ARV. Comment below on what are your thoughts on after repair value. Like and follow if you got any value out of this video.